Mm, mm. Let's freaking go! Guys, today Ford is up another 1.36%. What is going on, guys? It is your boy Aaron, and welcome back to Alpha's Trades, where we talk about the stock market, cryptocurrencies, charts, what I think is bullish, plays that we're going to be going over, literally everything revolving the stock market. In today's video, we have another update on Ford. Before we get any further into the video, let me just go ahead and start off by saying I am not a financial advisor. I literally have no freaking clue what I'm talking about at all. So do your own research. Make sure you do your own DD before you believe anything I say. And let's go ahead and get into this freaking video. Alright, so if you saw my video yesterday, then you know that Ford had a technical breakout over this huge descending wedge that it has been in for quite some time now. It's been in this long super descending wedge, and it finally broke it. And I said yesterday that I think the trend is going to continue into today, and boom, look what happened. I did say that we were going to have a slight pullback in the morning, and let's see if that actually happened. Wait, let me go to the minute chart. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, so basically it literally happened. It got up to, where is this? 15, 16, 15, boom. Yeah, so here high had a pullback. I said that in yesterday's video, and then it continued to run all the way up until a high of the day of 1353. That is literally the most beautiful thing I think I have ever seen. Just kidding. But that's the most beautiful thing I have seen in a long time on this stock. Also in yesterday's video, I said I was looking to see another candle open and close above this line right here on the daily candle, and on the hourly chart it seems to have fully broken out. Now, as you can see here, Ford did break above the 200 MA today, but don't think it won't try to come back and test that as support again, possibly creating a bull trap. But then again, I don't think that's the case. Ford had some great news today. We're going to go over that in just one second. But again, going back to this 200 MA, as you can see here, it broke it a little bit, and then it had a pullback. I think it tried to test it again, consolidated for about, what is that, 3 or so hours, and then it finally started breaking again. So that's actually a great sign that the 200 MA may start acting as a support again for Ford. So tomorrow, definitely expect to see more pullback in the morning, possibly pre-market, and definitely into opening, because Ford is notorious for dipping in the opens. Look at here, 10:30 today. It dipped, and then boom. What is this? 9:15, 10:30 kind of just shot up from the beginning. 10:30 dipped in the beginning. What is this? 10:30 dipped, went right back up. You get the point. Ford is notorious for dipping in the beginning and then riding out again. Now, this does also follow the Dow Jones, and let's go ahead and look at the Dow Jones really quick. Let me go back to markets. Where's the Dow? Where's the Dow? Where are we at? Here we are. Oh wait, no, that's not it. No. Huh? No. That's the SPY. That's that. Where's the Dow? I'm used to looking at this on my phone, if you want me to be honest. But the Dow was up today. I think one of these have to be it. Where's my phone? Oh, it's over there charging. But anyways, the Dow, it did dip in the morning and then started to recover towards the end of the day. And Ford is following the Dow, which is pretty great. Now, going back on what I said yesterday, that's a little bit about like the technicals. Like I said, I think we're definitely going to see another short-term pullback in the morning. Slight though, slight. This actually, Friday might be a sell-off day. We're definitely going to test this 200 MA again. Definitely around 1320-ish by the time this thing catches up. But after hours, sitting at 0.04. Guys, Ford's news today. Let me go ahead and get into that. First of all, they had a bunch of news come out low-key that was pushing the price up constantly today, as well as the Dow going up, and as well as this thing starting to reverse, which is beautiful. It broke this this support, or this resistance right here. Hopefully it's looking like it's going to test again. to see if that is going to now become support. If it does and bounces off of there, we're likely going to see this thing run back up to the 70 area, the 1370 area, which would be beautiful. Now, I did sell my calls today. I sold them at like 115%. Yes, I could have held them. Yes, I could have held them for a much larger gain today, but I'm all about taking profits. I do not want to hold through my profits just in case something doesn't go out according to plan, and you guys should definitely always do the same thing. Don't bet on these things always going to just double overnight or just keep doubling every single day. Like, guys, you've got to take profits eventually. Now let's go on to this news. Ford doubles the F-150 Lightning production to 80,000. That's freaking amazing. They are trying to really push heavily these electric vehicles. The government is also pushing EVs. They're giving out tax credits, stuff like that. So the EV sector is definitely going to be the next big thing in the next couple of years, as everybody is starting to switch over to EVs, hybrids, stuff like that, just because they're trying to save the planet, which they've already should have been trying to do, but you know, better late than never, right? Look at this. Ford devotes 250 million, 450 workers on the Ford F-1 Lightning 50 truck, which we looked at yesterday. Ooh, so good. Also, one thing that I want to talk about yesterday that I didn't, or one thing I want to talk about that came out yesterday that I didn't in yesterday's video, and that is, where's it at? Anyways, I don't think it was yesterday, but it was a few days ago. Ford actually pulled out of the India plant, and most people think that is actually a bad sign. But if you remember correctly, the India plant was actually burning them a lot of money every single year. I'm pretty sure it was either in the high millions or maybe a few billion every single year. And as you know, Ford is in a lot of debt, and a part of their recovery debt program, whatever the heck you want to call it, paying back their debt, they decided to cut ties with India. I think in the long term that's great. They're no longer bleeding out of India, which they can also take that money that they would have bled and put into like the F-150, the production for that, blah blah blah, this and that. Anyways, guys, that is it for today's video. Just a minor little recap. Ford continued on its trend, or its upward trend. It broke out, it opened, it closed above these two on the hour, 2 hour, 4 hour. Obviously it's going to do that. I think right now I am going to keep this, because eventually it's either going to bounce off this 200 MA, or it's going to come back down here and test this as an area of support, or it might test this guy for some support. Either ways, guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also, I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research, do your own DD. I have no clue like what I'm talking about. I'm not an expert either, so like I said, do your own DD, and happy trading, guys.